Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you guys how to create cut crease for those girls who has monolids, and it's quite difficult for me to put a lot of makeup on this part. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. But first, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always updated whenever I post a new tutorial like this one. I already started with a clean and moisturized face just to speed up the process. So now we are going to start primer. This pore minimizer really helps you to blur out those pores. So let's start with the eyes. This looks to be very precise and I don't want any fallouts, so sayang naman yung pagpuput ka ng foundation if I'm just gonna clean it up later. Once I finish, I'm going to put my foundation. I am using Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Fair. The best way to use it is to use your finger. Now it's all primed, so we'll start with the fun part. Colorful palette, which is my Morphe 35P palette. Yellow represents summer, so why not create a look that would signify summer, freshness, and everything. I'm going to start with a transition shade, and in this shade, Smoothie, orange tone right here, and we're just going to put it all over our lids. And as we're doing it, we're also sweeping it outwards. Just sweep it like that. Now on our other eye. You know what's hard about having small eyes and monolids is that you have a very small space to work with. So it's very difficult for you to create a crease. So this is the technical part that we are going to create for this look. We're just going to slowly build up the colors, so take your time, create the dimension that you want, the shape that you're trying to achieve. It's a really nice color, orange. I love orange, guys. Orange is one of my favorite colors. Screw it. You know what? Screw it. And we're just going to put it here as a dimension, just to deepen the color. Slowly building it outwards. So I'm going to use this little brush, and I'm just going to deepen out the color because we need to create a dimension. If you don't have dimension, the cut crease will not show. The color should be very different from the other colors that we're going to use later on. You don't need to worry if it looks messy right now, as long as we build everything, we build the shape that we want, because later it won't be there anymore. Then we're just going to smooth it out, make everything look smooth and blended. Now that everything is blended, crucial part is here, and we're going to cut the crease. Put it at the back of your hand like this, like this one. All you need to do, guys, if you have small eyes, all you need to do is to look straight and put at the bottom just a small amount and look up. So from there, you will see where is the part where you need to cut your crease. Everything has to show, right? Ever so carefully. You just need to dab just like that. You see that concentration? And just sweep it off. Like creating a wing. See? Cut crease. Now we're going to do this on this eye first. So we're going to use this very yellow shade. I'm just going to pack it on the lids. I'm going to use this detailed brush and put it like that. Sweeping motion. So we'll use this color right here. It's called Lemonade. And with a clean finger, it's a shimmer color. See, that's the fallout I was talking about. I hope you guys see it. And if we already put our foundation, oh my god, you know, you have to clean it one more time, and not gonna be pretty. Just to tidy up everything. Okay. Now see, I have lids. Cute! Okay, to do this other part, and I'll come back to you once it's done. Okay, so my eyes are done, except for this part. So I'm going to use this. This is my absolute favorite shade. Feeling ko pag naubos ko siya, I'm gonna buy one more time. This shimmer here, just to create a highlighting effect. Use my Born This Way foundation in the shade Seashell, and I've been dying to have this foundation for so long. Actually, this is not the shade that I was hoping for, but apparently they no longer have it, and I no longer have a really good foundation, so I bought the closest one to my skin tone. So with the damp beauty blender, we are just going to pat it on the face. This is the part where I tend to get oily. Use my NARS Orgasm blush over my cheeks. Let me just quickly blend everything. It's time to set the face with Laura Mercier. This is my holy grail product. That it is a very important step in your makeup routine, especially now in Dubai, it's summer. At least if you set your face with a really good powder, it will last. Using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, I am going to mix the two colors together just to make it more natural looking. So this is very glittery, so we just really need to be careful with this. Create the cut crease line that we made, just to show that we do have a cut crease here, to make it more obvious. It will never change. I am going to use my favorite Flexitarian, and I'm just going to put it right at the very top corner of each cheek. I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm gonna get back to you. This is my ColourPop Peyruis. So here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed my cut crease. For those monolids out there, you can achieve double lids as long as there is contrast with the color and just making the cut crease more defined. For me, I put the glitter effect on this part just so it'll be more visible. I hope you guys also enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you do, please comment and I would love to reply. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!